All right, today's topic, why are melon plants dying? And it took me a while to do this because I got so mad when I came back from vacation, but let's go right into it. All right, when I got back, I saw that my plants started to wilt, and I looked all the way to the end and saw that it has been gnawed on. So I've have several melons like this that were nice size and even bigger, and something is eating the vines, and that's why it's dying. So it's no wilt or anything like that. And I mean, just being gnawed off at the ends, and I'm getting a lot of melons being destroyed. And I found out that the animal that's doing it is a fat field rat, and it might be more than one of them. So far I've had rats. Now this is the issue, the rabbits. I've had, you saw when I caught the opossum. Now I'm gonna show you some damage of other melons, and it's not just the watermelons. And if you stick around, if you live in a residential area like I do, I'm in a cul-de-sac and I got neighborhoods on down the line, I figured out why the animals are attacking. And this could happen to you next time, or it may have already started. So I've been here like 18 years, been gardening for 14 on this property, haven't seen anything like it. But I'm gonna tell you why. It'll blow your mind. I've been driving by every day and I didn't know this was going to happen to me. All right, so I noticed the first damage that I've seen that on my honeydew melons, something took a big chunk out of the melon, and I couldn't figure out what was the cause. And I still have that vine, that melon on the vine, because I want to see if the animal's gonna come back and try to hit it again. So that was the first thing I noticed. Then a little bit later, I saw another honeydew melon bust completely in half, the insides eaten out. And I was like, are you kidding me? So something is eating into the melons, cracking it open and destroying all my melons. So I found out that it was a rat, and I was just being attentive, and I saw the big fat thing running through the garden. And so what I'm trying to do is, now I put traps out. So far the traps did not work. The different type traps, I done went through all kind of traps, and I decided to get a lot of onions, a lot of garlic, and chop it all up, put them in a bowl, as well as taking black pepper, cayenne pepper. This is things that I seen that they say that the rats can't stand. And so yesterday, I mean, I got black pepper. I smell it now. I mean, I got a big box of black pepper, and I put all the onions out because I'm doing it big because I got to try to save the melons that I have. So hopefully that will work. Now I did find one trap that worked, and you may want to close your eyes if you don't want to see that. I used the sticky traps. I got the clamp down traps, sticky traps. I got motion traps that came yesterday. I'm just going for broke. But I found the entry point where the rats like to go behind a water source, my rain barrel. I saw it running up under that way, so I threw sticky traps all over, and one rat ran over it. So hopefully that is the big rat that I seen, but it didn't look as big as I thought it was, but it's like a medium-sized rat. But I got it, so I got traps all through the garden. Hopefully that was the only one. All right, so if you have been experiencing these issues, let me know in the comments, and let me know if you've used the pepper and the garlic broadcasted all over the place. Now for the aha moment, the big aha moment that I had. Like I said, I live in a residential area, so I got neighborhoods on down that way, on down this way. And this happens in the fall and in winter, and I didn't know that it was gonna have a big impact on my summer growing. That's why I wanna let you know, so you will be ready to fortify your property next year. I guarantee I'm gonna be ready at the start. All right, so what is happening in the fall? They tore down these this area, this field that had trees, and it's a decent sized area. And if you look, they put up these townhouses. And so when the animals, I don't know where the animals go, but when the animals, I guess, came back from hibernating, they said, hey, this is not the field. So we've had rabbits in the front of the cul-de-sac, and we've never seen rabbits just running through people's yards. They in the front yard, and they came in the backyard. So the possums, the opossums, and everything else, the rats, that was their home. Now they found my yard, and it probably resembles what they were dealing with when they was in those woods and fields over there. And so this is their home, they think. So if this is going on, if you see that they're tearing down fields, trees in your area to put up more homes, and they said that they told us that no one could build in that area. That's why we was good for like 17, 18 years. But I guess something changed. Money is money. Money talks, I guess. So if this happens in your area, be mindful when those animals come back to look for their home. They can't find it. They got to go someplace. And they're gonna, if you got a garden, I got the only garden around. I got a food forest, so they decided that they are gonna reside here, but they're not, because I'm gonna get them out. All right, so I just wanted to let you know that. So just be on the lookout. If they're starting to tear down things and build houses, be ready. And we can put up a good, strong fight. That's what I'm gonna do, because I cannot go on and have them tear up my melons. Oh, another thing, I want to thank the person that gave me my first super thanks last video, and that was just totally awesome. And I also want to thank, I have a couple people that brought my shirt, Grow Something Tasty. You can get them in different colors. This is probably the wrong color because I got bees trying to attack me, so I probably better hurry up. All right, but I just want to make sure that I thank all those people, and that for the viewers, thank you again for watching my channel and leaving comments. And I always try to make sure that I respond to your comments, because you took the time out to watch my videos, and I want to be thankful for that, and I want to show you my gratitude. So that's why I do what I do, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, grow something tasty. Bye.